Alright, hey guys. So I haven't had a chance to show this fan with 4 blades and do a remake video with 4 blades, so this fan does have 4 blades now, so put the camera on the camera stand. Well, the blade's chipped, which I'm not happy about. Camera. Come on, camera, here we go. Here it is, 4 blades. So, here it is, so this fan does have 4 blades. I didn't show 4 blades last time, so this fan was made in 2000, so this fan was made in, EK March 1st, 2003, and it's the 70th fan made that day. I'll show you the tag. Does use the older tag before they switch to the newer one. Here's the tag right here. It's the older tag right here, but later, back in like 2004 or something, they put the newer tag, which just says Casablanca and not the model number. E-Man fan actually has one of these with the newer tag, with the later tag instead of the older tag, but it has maple blades. So, oh shoot, is the camera still focused? Focus, fan. Focus on the fan, camera. Here we go. That looks better. Looks like so. Anyways, let's start the fan on low. I don't know what's the wobbling issue on this fan. When I put this up and did an Instagram video, it did have some wobbling issues. It did have some, it also made a creaking noise too. I think I did take some of the blades off and tighten in the screws. And it worked, so. So the other one's actually the, still March 1st, 2003, but it's the 11th fan made that day, which is the other one. So when that other one was made. So, I'm probably not going to show that one with 4 blades. Or I might put a different light on it. I don't know. Who knows? Here is medium. There's actually an abandoned house in my street that actually, a lot of the houses back then used to have a lot of Casablanca fans. Some Hampton Bays. But there's a house, 21 Wanderers Drive, there's a house on Wanderers Drive that has a Panama 5 in polished brass with white blades, and another one in white, which the owner told me it doesn't work. But the owner told me the other one didn't work, but I finally got it to work. And there's also an abandoned house that has a Casablanca Victorian 5-blade and antique brass. and a stealth. I don't know if the stealth's comfort touch or not. I know Victorian and Teletouch. Charles Smith actually found a Victorian that's 3-speed. It uses a Samsung motor. But this one uses the XLP motor. Here's hi. So, yeah. Sing wobbles like an idiot. This thing really needs to be balanced. Maybe because the blades are chipped. And by the way, feel a breeze under it. And here's off. Let's reverse it. So by the way, guys, this fan is also what I've ended up. There's another house where it's using my dog sitter that has a Casablanca Zephyr in it. And the owner was cleaning the fan, and one of the blades is steeply bent on it. It's an early one. I think it does have the K63 motor in it, which you find unique. But it is reversible, though. In reverse switches on the vents, just like how Will Howell found the Four Seasons. I miss this video so much. Just like Will Howell found a Four Seasons that had in polished brass that had a reverse switch on the vents. I don't know why Casablanca did that, but people think it was a pain. Probably not going to do a music edition with 4 blades. So yeah. Low reverse. So anyways, there's a Four Seasons in my neighborhood. No, Zephyr. Oh, there was a house with the Four Seasons. But they got removed. And you know what happened when the family moved in? I turned it on, and it cycled, and when it turned on, it just immediately cycled through the speeds. And every time I press the fan button, it stays in that speed. But I couldn't get it to change the speeds at first, but then I found what the issue was. The fan and the light buttons were wired backwards, so... Anyways, let's go to medium. The fan and the light buttons were wired backwards, so the fan button... So the light button was the fan, and the fan button was the light. So it must have had flick mode, but it did not do demo mode. I tried to get it to do demo mode, but I couldn't figure it out. It probably doesn't do demo mode. And what other neighbor fans had Casablancas? There's another house that had a California Zephyr. Man, I wanted that fan. I like that fan so much. And but they wouldn't let me play with it. But every time they're out of the kitchen, I played with it and just messed around with it and tried to get it to do demo mode. But I didn't know how to do demo mode back when I was a kid. But then later, a few months later, I figured it out. And I did demo mode on it. There's another house that has a Panama, brushed nickel Panama 2 like this, in Levinson Teletouch. I did demo mode on that one time. And it does wobble badly like this one. And these fans came out of house in Wonders Drive, but they're unfortunately they trying to clear out the clutter out of the garage, but then they wanted to throw away these fans, but I'm gonna go high then. They wanted to throw away these fans, but she found out it's me. I like them, so. And the other guy actually replaced the original with a haiku. Seeing this wobble a lot. Anyway, so let's go to off. I called this a Panama 5 one time, and never knew what it was. I never knew I called it a Panama 5 for some reason, but it's not. It's a Panama 2. So, yeah. What other fans is there in the neighborhood? I think that's it to tell us the stories about Casablanca fans in my neighborhood. A lot of my neighbors used to have, back in 2006 when I moved in, this house did not have Casablanca fans. It had a Whisperwood 2000 in the guest room, but I broke it. I played with it too much, and I bent the blade on it, and it broke off. So, I also had a unknown builder fan, the sun porch, but it was converted to a playroom, but then they replaced it with a hand-baked quick connect. And I played with that fan too much. I tortured around with it a lot, and I broke the chain off of it. But it was stuck on low speed. I put a new chain in it, stuck on high speed. It just went high. So I should have put a wall control in it. But then, well, in the guest room, replaced the Hampton Hawkins. I'm not going to use the Hawkins anymore. It's just junk. I might part it out, or Hawkins is just a piece of junk. So what are the fans there? There's actually a neighbor's house that has a White Hunter original. I might forget to mention that in the original, but and an Unknown American Industries DC Motor Homestead Superfan copy. So yeah, that is it. That is the Casablanca Panama 2 with 4 blades. Thank you for watching.